I found.
What's up, y'all? I'm finna eat some Wayback Burger once again. Oh my goodness. This burger looks so good. I just had to share it with y'all. I just had to. Like, where your burger at? Oh. Y'all look at this burger.
Get the first bite. Y'all get the first bite. Get on the first bite. Get on the first bite, man. I know you ain't being selfish. Get on the first bite. Look at my eyes. Look at me try.
I can't take this.
I can't.
It's too good. I'm like, get her that burger. Oh, man.
Oh, God.
Check out the insides.
Can I taste some of yours?
Can you taste some?
Well, you're not getting
Can't have on my burger. You got your own burger. Nah, you can have some. Here you go.
Why you selfish to me and they selfish to them? Because I told you to get them some.
I'm being selfish to them.
Because I just told you to get them some burger. I just get them the first bite.
Yeah, they gonna look at it.
No, they can't.
It's good. Now you just grabbed a little bit too much of my burger. Y'all.
This not too much.
Wayback Burgers. Y'all got to get there. Y'all got to get there. Your food ain't got no season.
Not like the other way.
You got any some food? Ooh, my head hurting in the back.
And this burger hurting in the back.
Your ponytail ain't too tiny.
It's loose. My ponytail loose as a goose. Y'all, she just got to get in the video. Ooh. Shoot, I got food everywhere. And you letting that girl starve, man. But I ain't give you no more of my burger. You got your own burger. Your burger gonna be just as good. Go on, man.
You got the same kind of burger.
Y'all know what's wrong with this girl. She got a good looking burger. Trying to get some of my doggone burger.
Man, she bet.
Y'all ain't trying to feed the baby?
Shit, you ain't here.
I gave her. I
done
gave
gave
her.
some.
I don't think you did.
Quiet as hell in here.
It's a root beer.
Oh, in here.
Stingy.
Yeah. Get that girl some food.
She has something in her hand.
Oh, she probably just want to get out there car seat.
Huh? You mind my nacho? I ate my food.
Mm-hmm.
Did you eat some of that burger?
Go ahead and get some nachos.
What a burger?
In my mouth.
Nah, what up? Where your burger?
In the back.
Go get it. And put it and sit it up.
Y'all, this what your children do. If you got children, you know. Your children always ask you to buy something for them, and they don't never eat it.
I eat McDonald's and I'll tell you.
Or they ask you to buy some, and then your food look better than theirs, and they want the food that you get.
No, I don't.
Always. It always wind up like this. So she gonna have all this food left over. This
This
cheeseburger she got cost about $15. And she want to eat my burger.
Because it's nasty.
I forgot to get
Well,
raw.
you boning them, John. You starving like mom, man.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I'm out of here. I gotta get.